Start. The appellant has come forward with these appeals aggrieved by the common degree and judgment dated 10/1/2007 passed by the learned Additional Family Court Judge Chennai in FCOP numbers 440 of 2005 and 910 of 2006. Stop. While FCOP number 440 of 2005 was filed by the respondent husband for grant of a decree of divorce, FCOP number 910 of 2006 was filed by the appellant herein under section 9 of the Hindu Marriage Act for restitution of conjugal rights. Stop. After considering the rival claim, the family court by the said common order dated 10/1/2007 allowed the original petition filed by the respondent/husband and granted a decree of divorce while dismissing the original petition filed by the appellant/wife for restitution of conjugal rights. Stop. Para. The respondent herein has filed FCOP number 440 of 2005 by contending that the marriage between him and the appellant was solemnized as per Hindu rites and customs on 1/7/1999 at Kilapungudi, Sivagangai district. Stop. The marriage was arranged by the elders in the family and it was also registered in the office of the Registrar of Marriage, Madagupatti, under certificate number 8 of 1999 dated 2/7/1999. Stop. According to the respondent, he was working in United States of America prior to the marriage and had come down to India for the purpose of marrying the appellant. Stop. After 10 days of marriage, the respondent went to United States of America while the appellant joined him at United States of America during August 1999. Stop. The appellant was a holder of engineering degree and she was keen to pursue higher studies at United States of America. Stop. Therefore, the respondent got her admission for pursuing ME degree in computer software engineering at Widener University during January 2000. Stop. That apart, the respondent also obtained sponsorship to financially support her to pursue higher studies in the said university. Stop. Para. It is the contention of the respondent that he had a normal and happy married life with the appellant for about 3 to 5 months after marriage. Stop. According to the respondent, few years before marriage, the mother of the appellant died and her father remarried in the middle of 2000, which according to the respondent had apparently disturbed the appellant very much and the respondent witnessed a change in her behavior pattern thereafter. Stop. The appellant started picking up quarrel with the respondent even for trivial family dispute and was in the habit of throwing whatever articles she could get into her hand. Stop. On one occasion, the appellant got annoyed and threw the shoes on the respondent. Stop. During yet another quarrel, the appellant threw the sacred thali towards the respondent, which has caused acute mental disturbance to him. Stop. At the height of her frustration, on one occasion, the appellant took a knife and threatened the respondent that she would cut her wrist and throw the blame on him. Stop. The appellant also made constant threat to dial the emergency police number within single quote 911 at United States of America. have the respondent arrested for domestic violence by hurting herself and to throw the blame on him. Stop. During the middle of 2002, owing to a trivial quarrel, the appellant became very aggressive that she had taken a knife and threatened to commit suicide. Stop. When the respondent attempted to snatch the knife from her, the appellant cut his finger and therefore he had to be taken to Springfield Hospital for treatment where he was shuttered as the cut injury was so deep. Stop. According to the respondent, the fact that he had very close proximity with his father, mother, and grandparents and sister had apparently irked the appellant that she could not make any such bond with anyone of her relatives, particularly her parents. Stop. Further, the appellant constantly apprehended that she was genetically pre-diagnosed to cancer inasmuch as her mother died due to the said disease. Stop. At the same time, the appellant blamed that the respondent did not sympathize with her for her imagined and non-existing disease. Stop. Para. The respondent would proceeded to contend that the appellant was in the habit of talking to the neighbors and request them to advise the respondent to behave properly. Stop. In fact, after hearing the appellant and the respondent, the neighbors only advised the appellant to change her behavior pattern, and this had infuriated her further. Stop. The cruel behavior pattern of the appellant worsened day by day that the appellant would constantly shout towards the respondent by calling him within quote mundam within bracket senseless or within quote porikki within bracket rogue and other such filthy words without any provocation. Stop. As the relationship between the respondent and the appellant strained during July 2003, they have come to India, met their respective family members, and attempted to resolve the matrimonial dispute. Stop. During a meeting that had taken place, the appellant apologized for her erratic behavior and had also written a letter of assurance and apology on 3/7/2003. Stop. Believing that the appellant would thereafter exhibit normal behavior, the appellant and respondent went back to United States of America. However, after their return to United States of America, the appellant nagged the respondent with respect to the letter which she had written. Stop. As the relationship between the appellant and respondent did not improve after their return to United States of America, and that the appellant constantly threatened and harassed the respondent with her cruel behavior during September 2004, the respondent came back to India to discuss with the family members again and took the letter of apology with him and gave it to the respondent on his return with an intention that giving back the letter written by her would calm down the appellant. Stop. However, it did not bring any change in the behavior pattern of the appellant. Stop. The appellant used to scream and quarrel for more than half an hour, will take water and after about 10 minutes continue to scold and shout towards the respondent without any justifiable cause. Stop.
You